Are you feeling anxious or stressed out? Try this box breathing method, which can calm you down instantly within a minute or two. It has physiological as well as psychological benefits. Its physiological benefits are those which can help your heartbeat to calm down and reset to the normal level, and also gives enough oxygen to your lungs. So this can help you physically, and psychological benefits are those which can help you focus on your breath. Let's begin. Inhale 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale 4 counts, and hold for 4 counts. So this is called box breathing. It comes to a box, right? Let's practice. Sit in a comfortable position. Make sure your feet is grounded in the floor or touching the ground. Okay? So let's begin. Inhale 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for another 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4 counts as if you're coming down. 2, 3, 4. And again hold your breath for another 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. And it's done. Inhale slowly. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath again. 2, 3, and 4. And we are done. It's as simple as that. It is very, very effective. Do save this video to practice, and bye-bye.